Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to look up the prices of your CGC card. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you have a CGC slab Pokemon card. How do you actually go ahead and check the price of it? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So essentially what I do is that I go into eBay, and what I'll do is I'll type in CGC Pristine 10, and then I'll type in the name of the Pokemon, and then also the name of the number. So 203 out of 165. Exam 203 out of 165. Now, once you click on enter, you're going to see a lot of CGC Pristine 10s for sale. Let's go ahead and scroll down and then click on sold items. And then this is the best way that you can actually get an idea of what this card sells for. So as you can see, in June, it sold for about $89. In August, it sold for $105. So to give you an idea, it basically runs for about, I'd say, $100-ish to $95. So you basically just average the two most recent sales and ballpark it from there. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of how to go ahead and check the price of your CGC card. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.